Artificial intelligence is impacting the world like never before. And the world has moved from Bletchley Park to Seoul, from Paris, and now in 2026, all eyes turn to India in our collective quest for a global governance for responsible AI. Each step has sharpened our collective resolve to make artificial intelligence safe, inclusive, and actionable. On February 19th and 20th, world leaders, alongside the entire AI ecosystem, governments, industry, researchers, academia, startups, and students will converge in New Delhi, India. Their mission? To shape strategies on how this powerful technology can be harnessed for humanity's greater good. The India AI Impact Summit will be inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and will be guided by a clear mantra, Impact, rooted in 3 sutras of people, planet, progress. People, where AI empowers every citizen while ensuring that no one is left behind in the AI revolution. Planet, where innovation safeguards our environment and helps solve challenges for climate action. Progress, for economic productivity and inclusive growth. At the summit, 7 chakras as themes will guide the way forward. Human capital, inclusion, safe and trusted AI, resilience, innovation and efficiency, science, democratizing AI resources, and social good. This will help bring the Global South to the center stage of AI discourse. More than 200 pre-summit events are envisioned across India and around the world, spanning panels, roundtables, and collaborations that lead into the summit. In the build-up, a series of global challenges and events will set the stage. The Global AI Pitch Fest, the Youth for Unnati and Vikas with AI Yuva Challenge, AI by Her for Women Innovators, AI for All Challenge, and a Global Research Symposium. It all builds towards a summit of unprecedented scale, uniting nations and innovators to set the direction for AI's future. Across 7 themes, the summit will host 60+ sessions over 2 days, anchored by a vibrant AI expo that brings together startups, innovators, researchers, technology companies, and global pavilions. The India AI Impact Summit is where the greatest minds and leaders of the global AI ecosystem will come together to meet its greatest test, delivering impact on people, on planet, on progress. And it begins here in New Delhi, India.